Welcome! In front of me I have Realme Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the side button and keep holding it until the watch turns off. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds, so press and hold the button, keep holding it. And after the screen goes black, hold the button for a couple more seconds and then you can release it. And once you release it, the watch should reboot. Basically, you should see the Realme logo on the screen, and after that it should boot into a system. As you can see, we're back into the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.